told all the time that my job must be so fun because I get to play with dogs all the time, but this dude has been screaming the entire bag.
All right, I'm gonna go. I need to go to work and make money for this fucking family. But you know, you guys have a great day, just sitting around doing nothing.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to sneeze.
Go get it. Hey Evie, so yesterday I was with Marissa and we went outside to go potty and I asked her if she wanted to go to work with me.
This still doesn't explain why I saw her eating toilet paper off the floor. Come here.
Give your dog imaginary treats until they realize.
What are you tasting? Okay guys, bedtime, come here. Come on. Come on, go to bed. Come on.
What a handsome boy I have, huh? In the name of Jesus, may the powers of Christ compel you. May the powers of Christ compel you, demon. In the name of Jesus, you are healed, demon.
Hello, my baby. Hey, where's Mikado? Hey, is that? Trixie, are you trying to get me to give you a carrot by doing this head thing again? You think it's gonna work, don't you? Don't you? Oh my gosh, why are you so cute? You gotta stop being so cute. Guys, she's back at it again with the head thing. You think you're gonna get a treat, huh? Do you want one? Do you want a treat? Yeah? Okay, 1 carrot, okay? Just 1, because you gotta be healthy. Okay, just 1. Oh, okay.
Il va faire un malheur.
C'est pas un ralenti, hein, c'est la vraie vitesse.
C'est vraiment un guignol.
C'est pour pas faire de bruit.
Il galère. Allez, go trop tard.
C'est bien.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Take a picture. Okay. Winston, oh. You forget.